Now we'll solve a problem using the chain rule. The chain rule is used when you have a function inside another function. Here the outer function is u raised to 4 and the inner function is u is equal to 3x squared plus 1. Then after that we need to find the derivative of the outer function. And the derivative of the outer function is 4u raised to 3. And after that, find the derivative of inner function. And the derivative of it was 6x. Then next, let's apply the chain rule. Multiply the derivative of the outer function by the derivative of the inner function. Then let's simplify.